Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. First step is open the Instagram app and tapping your profile picture to go to your account. Go to the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal line and tap the icon. Then tap on settings, find the account center and tap on enter it. Tap on the accounts and profile section. On the following page you will see a list of your accounts. Tap on your account. Then tap remove from account center. Then select yes, unlink in order to confirm. You will successfully unlink your Facebook and Instagram account.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.